Hey everyone, it is Ian from Optimizer Marketing. In this video, we're going to be installing your HubSpot on your Google Tag Manager that is already installed on your website. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. So we are inside of HubSpot right now. We're using the starter plan. You could do this on the free plan as well, but what you will need to do is you'll need to it doesn't matter what you're under right now. You'll need to go up to this gear icon in the top right and then go to tracking code on the left panel here. And this is extremely simple. All you'll need to do is select copy, go into your Google Tag Manager. Now, for example, for instance, if you have not set up your Google Tag Manager yet, we highly recommend that you do. You can actually watch the very first video in this free marketing tech setup playlist where you can essentially watch how to create a Google Tag Manager from scratch if you don't have one already. But we highly recommend that you do because we've set up every single piece of software that you see on this website we have set up in this playlist. So be sure to watch that if you are interested and want to set up your marketing tech stack appropriately. So what you need to do is simply go into tags, and from here what you would do is you will select new. You will come in here and you'll actually select custom HTML. You will paste that code that we grabbed from HubSpot, place it in here in Google Tag Manager. Just change this to say HubSpot, and this is actually a test account, so I'm just going to say test. And triggering, I want to select all pages because I want this to fire on all pages, and I'm going to say save. And all that would need to be that we would need to do now is to select submit, and we would just say HubSpot added, and we would select publish, and that would be all. And from there, you would be able to see that your HubSpot is firing by simply going into your marketing tab and potentially your ads or your website tag to see, or your reporting for that matter, and just to view your marketing channel performance. You'd be able to see your marketing data in here. Now, it might not be instantaneous because we've had our site tag installed for a long time. You would need to have your site tag installed so that it could collect this data. But you could also go to your website, give it a nice refresh, and then use a Chrome extension like Wapalizer to check and see if HubSpot Analytics is showing up. And as you can see in our situation, it is showing up, although we haven't, published our container. It's because we already have a HubSpot tag right here that is firing. So with that being said, that is all that we have for this initial set of marketing tech setup. So if you have any questions at all, be sure to leave a comment. Hopefully you found this whole series useful. We're going to have more in the future as more free marketing tech comes out that we really like. So be sure to subscribe if you're new, and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much.